welcome to Malawang Center Institution. So, before we start our session, so let's have our prayer first. So, and now, before beginning our session, so let's have our attendance first. So, you have 10 minutes to answer. If we're done, can you pass? And now, by the way, before I begin my training session, I have here instructional questionnaire that we need to fill up. So this instructional questionnaire, it is will determine your profile characteristic and learning style. So it will help me to understand your competencies. And then now I have here a checklist. So this checklist helps me to determine your knowledge about these competencies about in bread and pastry production. So I have here you have 10 minutes to answer this checklist. So read carefully this checklist. So this checklist answered by yes or no. So if you are answering yes, so you should have an evidences to give me that prove that you are attending this competency. So again, if you have check yes, you have to provide me an evidences in these qualifications. So you have 10 minutes to answer, then pass it if you are done. So, okay, everyone, you are answering here no. So, I think you have no background to this qualification in the bread and pastry competency. So, now we're focusing on how you should give your knowledge about these qualifications in bread and pastry productions. So, again, everyone, welcome to our orientations about bread and pastry production. So this is our mentions and basic mentions. So, welcome to our qualifications about bread and pastry productions and food. So, this is the competency-based training. So, when we say CBT, so when we say competency-based training, system-where training focus on what a student can do competencies rather than how long they spend in training itself. Paced, modular, and learner-centered allows individuals to acquire specific relevant skills and knowledge to meet national standards. So when we say CBT, it focuses on how we gain knowledge in this qualification. So we must give the trainers knowledge about in these qualifications. So next. So we have here a CBC. So when we see a CBC, competency-based curriculum, so it is a training framework focused on what learners can actually do rather than just what they know, designed to make industry standard. It is learner-centered to meet industry standard. So when we see CBC, it focuses on the learning centered. So I have here 10 principles of CBT. So first one is that trainer is based on curriculum developed from the competency standards. So the second is a criteria set in competency-based curriculum. Third is training delivery. Delivery is learner-centered, should accommodate individuals and safe-spaced learning. And the number 4, training is based on work that must be performed. And the number 5, training materials are directly related to the competency standards and curriculum modules. number 6 in CBT principle. So, assessment is based in the collections of evidences of the performance of work to industry required standard. Training is based both and on the components. So, the number 8 is training program allows motivation of prior learning. RPS. So 9 is training. Training allows multiple entry and exit. So and the number 10 is trainings programs are registered with the class. So I have here CBT framework. So you should see here the student interest program. So when you see here the orientation, first rule of trainers, trainee, and then trainee. So here, this is the framework that you should to attain. That if you are qualified in this qualification, so if you have attaining this framework, so you should qualify. You should attain in this qualification. So you have a certificate that you have certificate in these qualifications. So this is the role of the CBT trainer. First is service as a team member to determine what is to be learned. And the second is the role of the CBT trainer. So if CBT trainers have the following rules, the trainers may select that they want to learn and when they are wanting to learn it within the reason. So the role of trainer is to serve the members of to determine what is to be learned in the trainers. So also the role of the trainee is how they how they want to learn in these qualifications in bread and pastry productions. So next is this is our qualifications. This is our qualifications about bread and pastry production. So we have 141 hours in these qualifications. So this is the overview about bread and pastry production. So when you see bread and pastry production, it is qualification consists of competencies that persons must achieve to be able to clean equipment, foods and utensils, and prepare portions and plate, pastries, bread, and other desserts. So this is our overview of our bread and pastry productions. So this is our basic components. We have this basic component competencies. It have 18 hours requirements. So we have common competencies, also 18 hours to attain these competencies. So first is develop and update industry knowledge, observe workplace hygiene procedures, and third is perform computers operations. So next, the last is the core competency. So the core competencies consists ours is 105 hours. So core competencies components is prepared to produce bakery and products. So the second is prepare and produce pastry products. Third is prepare and present gâteaux, torts, and cakes. And the last is prepare and display petit fours. So these core competencies you should be attained for the training in these qualifications. Qualifications. So and now let's have to move on with our demonstrations about bread and pastry productions in this learning resource area. So okay, we go back to our presentation. So I have a question for you to able to answer. What is your commentation on how to prepare ganache? So okay, Miss Now, you are qualified in these competencies. Competencies. So I know that you are able to attain this competence qualifications. So congratulations all of you that you are attaining in this qualification. So I have here test or test to answer, evaluations to answer. Uh, and also I have here the I have here your certificate in bread and pastry productions. Again, everyone, good job that you are perform well on your qualifications and bread pastry production. So your performance will be recorded and you are qualified to another